Hi, it's Q again, and I'd like to show you a tutorial on how to set up and configure a domain name server or system. So first things first is that go to Server 2008 and we select Server Manager and we scroll down to Add Row. Now, what we do here is that we select Next and we select DNS Server. Now I already have mine installed. Simple process, similar to installing Active Directory. So when you're finished, what we're going to do is minimize this, and then we're going to Start, Administrative Tool, and select DNS. Before we get into this, we need to go to the network settings, manage network connection, right click, properties, disable Internet Protocol version 6 and go to version 4. I'm going to set the preferred DNS to the IP address, to the same IP address, server 192.168.1.15. Okay, close. Yes, from here we go back to DNS Manager. Now, as we're here, we go to the forward lookup zone. We right click on it and select new zone. Welcome to the new zone. We select next and we leave zone type as primary zone. Select next. To select how you want your zone data replicated, you select all DNS servers. Select yes, and you could give it any name you want actually. Now I'll call mine Steno. Select next. The type of dynamic updates you want. We'll keep it on allow on network updates, and we hit finished. Nice. So that is the forward lookup zone. Right, so from here now we want to do the reverse lookup zone. So we right click on new zone, and similar to the forward lookup zone, back up to the new zone wizard, select next. We leave type of zone as primary. How you want to data replicated to all DNS servers in the forest. Next, we're going to keep it at IPv4 reserve, and to identify the reverse lookup zone, type the ID, the name of the zone, so it's 192.168.1, and we select next, allow any dynamic updates, yes, and there we are. So from here what we want to do is that we want to select the drop down menu for lookup zone and click Steno, and we want to select new host. So as a host name we type in www and IP address, enter your IP address 192.168.1.15, and we want to create an associated pointer record. Select add host, and the host record was successfully created. Cool. So from here now, what we want to do is we're going to go to command prompt. So now to test to see if it works, you right click on the server and you click launch NSLookup and we enter the launch, and then we enter in the IP address 192.1.1.15, and as you can see here, server Steno address 192.1.1.5, right? And we can also enter the www.steno, and we also get back the same thing. Thank you all and good night.